So I'm going to teach you another bowl. This is in the shape of an octagon. It's an 8-sided bowl and it's quite sturdy. So you can take a 12 inch by 12 inch paper and a thicker paper with pattern on one side. So let's start with dividing the paper into two. So as usual we are making a water bomb base. On two sides you have divided this into half. Now you flip over the piece and you make these two diagonals on the other side. So this is the quickest and the most accurate way to make a water bomb base. So this is what is called a water bomb base. 4 points on the top, 1 point at the bottom. So now let's start by making the other creases. So now I have my 4 creases here and my 1 crease is towards me. Now I have to divide this bottom angle into 2. So get this in the center here. Nice sharp crease. The other side. Back side also same thing. Last one. Try to be accurate because see, you need to get this as a very sharp fold here or sharp corner here. Okay. Now if you see from the top we have 4. It's like a plus, right? Now we need 8. So like open one flap fully and open it completely, like open the entire triangle and just push this corner inside and then you fold it back. So 1 has become 2. Then do this again. So open this completely, just push this inside and make it fall on the same plane again. So now I have 2 plus 2 4. Back side again the same thing. Now I have 6 and now I have 8. So if you see from the top I have 8 flaps now. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you can see 8 flaps now. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5 6 7 8 on both sides. So get 4 and 4 here. Now you'll see there's a plane surface here. Okay, so just fold one page on this side and on the back side fold one page on the opposite side, right? So you have this cut here now. So again you have 4 flaps, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, right? Now since you have cut here, just fold this like this. So getting this point in the center, on the center line. Okay, and repeat it again on the back side. So 2 sides done. Okay, now see there's a flap here, so you need to repeat it again. So it's basically everything is to be done 4 times. It's completely symmetrical, and then when you flip it over you'll have 2 flaps again. There it is. So repeat it here. Okay, now you can fold back the flap that you had folded initially, one on this side, and from the back you go to the right side. Yeah, and get all these top flaps down. So 1 2, then you have 2 here. Get this down, and then you have 1 more here. So get this down. Okay, So if you see from the top, you have 8 again. Yeah. And this is going to be the base, so you need to connect this and this. So now there are 8 pieces of paper here, so you need to really crease this nicely. Just open it, flip it over, and repeat the same fold again on this side. Okay, now we need to open this into a 3D. So just open all the folds that you have done. You need to undo a lot of folds. Come back to the original base. Yeah. Okay. Now we just need to open the. So you see an octagon here. So this octagon is going to be the base. So just make sure it's a little nice and sharp crease at the base. Okay, now let's start with one side. You see this rectangle here. So and you see one more rectangle. So just pick them both up like this, and at the same time you'll see a flap here. So you need to get this flap on the inside like this, and this side also you need to get on the inside like this, and this big triangle on the top needs to be folded down like this, right? So the crease is going to be here like this and like this. Now let's take the other side. So this thing is to be tucked inside. This point is to be tucked inside like this, and this large triangle is going to be folded outside over the creases. Repeat it again. And the last side. Yeah. Now the base is an octagon, so at every point you need to just crease this nicely so that you get an octagonal prism. Yeah. So this is an octagon.